Okay, so hey guys, welcome to our channel. So today we're gonna bring you guys channel to Koh Samui. So right now, as you can see, right in front of me, I have the beautiful beach. So we're getting ready to go breakfast, and I'm really hungry. I'm excited to see what this hotel offers for the breakfast. Someone's gonna pick us up because we got a boat to go to a national park, which is you can do kayaking, snorkeling, and sightseeing, but we're just gonna do the sightseeing first. So right now we're inside the bus to go to the national park. We're all very sleepy. Also, if you guys think about national park, so the national park's at different islands, which is really cool. So I'm really excited. Yeah, I guess they're gonna pick up other people because this bus is really empty.
Our waterproof bag. One bag for further Baht that is back until you've got. Check inside, turn the water. After that, please keep your phone, camera, money in here.
I'm heading to Angthong National Park. It will take about 1 hour to go there. Okay, so guys, we're gonna go down there. I know it's scary, but just go down. So we went down, and you can see the lagoon clearer now. We can go down all the way, but we're not going to go down all the way because for me, going down is more scary than going up. So we reached down. We are back down. Oh yeah, that's like the floating platform. We came up from the boat. Now, some people from the tour have not come back, so we stayed to wait for them. And next is lunch. Oh, I think they want ice cream. Forgot, what do you want? There's not many choices, so... Okay. We got this. So our food is here, and yeah, we're having lunch on the boat, and this is all. These are all halal, so yeah, it's good. Okay, so we're on the floating pier, and it's like, oh my god, it really is shaking. Like when the waves come, You'll go like up. No. Oh my god. Okay, so we reached the island already. This one was quite scary because of that floating hill. When the wave came, it was like woo. Basically this is the map. Oh, it's called Wua Ta Lap Island. It's over there. So it said we are going to go to the the viewpoint. Oh, we're leaving our bags here. So we're going to the viewpoint now. Just this way. There's some camping sites here. This island is big. This is we are going for the Pha Jun Jas nature trail. So this is the highest point. 100 meters and 450, 250, 300, 200 and 100 meters. Trying to go all the way up here if we have time, because we only have 2 hours. So yeah, let's go. Yeah, the stairs are different from the previous one. These stairs are much better. So we reached viewpoint number 1 and it has a really nice view, but we're gonna go up some more. Yeah. Oh, this looks so nice. Oh my god. We're all tired. But yeah, let's go. This is the second viewpoint. So we reached the 3rd viewpoint. The oceans are over there. So yeah, we're really tired, but we're more than halfway, which is really good. The stairs is totally different from the last one, because here's less steep, but there are a lot of rocks. So probably recommend you guys just change shoes. Normal sport shoe would be better, I guess. Let's go up. See you guys at viewpoint number 4. Okay, so guys, this is the 5th viewpoint. 4th viewpoint. I think there's another way to go up, because we're going up. There was another way, and it was saying that it's the 4th viewpoint, but we decided to go to the 5th viewpoint. View is so nice. You can see all the different islands. It looks so pretty. Our boat's like small. Teeny weeny. This is another viewpoint up there. There are 50 meters. Yeah. So we reached the top viewpoint, and it's just even more amazing. Just look at all those islands. And then clocks and some rules that you have to do. You can't feed the animals. You do not litter, guys. Do not litter. You have to stay on trail. And you can't use drone here. Take only pictures and leave only footprints. And in emergency, just call 1669. Okay, so we have to go down quickly because time is running out. We have to be down there at 2 o'clock. Now it's already 1 something. About less than 1 hour to go down now. So it's quite hard because, you know, it's a long way down, because it was a long way to go up too. So yeah, let's go. So we reached down here really. So we want to take like a long tail boat to our big boat, and from the big boat we'll just go back to Koh Samui.